Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up geolocation on Shopify. First, you'll want to install the official geolocation app, which is available for free in the Shopify App Store. This essential tool helps you customize your customers' shopping experience based on their location. Once installed, you can begin configuring its settings to automatically detect where your visitors are browsing from, ensuring they see the most relevant content and offers right away. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll define the specific regions or countries you want to target within the app settings. For each region, you can customize recommendations for currency and language, ensuring a truly localized experience. The app can then display a helpful pop-up or banner, gently suggesting the correct store version to your customers. This thoughtful approach helps guide them to the most appropriate shopping environment, making their journey smoother and more personalized from the very first click. For more advanced control, you can adjust the app's behavior to cater to different customer segments or specific marketing campaigns. Consider integrating it with other Shopify apps to unlock even more powerful localization features, such as dynamic pricing or region-specific product availability. Before making your changes live, it is crucial to thoroughly test the geolocation functionality. Ensure everything works as expected across various locations to provide a seamless experience for everyone. Implementing geolocation offers significant benefits, primarily by improving the customer experience through showing highly relevant content. This personalization can lead to a notable increase in conversion rates as customers see localized pricing, language, and product offerings. As a best practice, regularly review and update your geolocation settings. This ensures your store remains optimized for your global audience, adapting to any changes in your business strategy or customer demographics over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.